So this is probably the third video on this thing, and I'm gonna finally say basically what it is. Obviously, it's Monte Carlo, but this is a 1973 Monte Carlo that my dad bought, and then I'm kind of just working on it because I like working on stuff. Anyways, 73 Monte Carlo, bought for $1,000. Compared to the Bronco that was 400, this thing is like should be luxurious because it costs more. But obviously it's got some rust and stuff, and it's honestly more Bondo than rust. So it's going to take some work. It's got a 354 barrel underneath the hood with a 350 transmission, so that's pretty cool. At the end of this video, I'm going to insert some clips of me or us trying to get this thing running, and we do get it to idle basically off a bottle feed because the gas tank looks like it's got Kool-Aid in it, so you'll see that. This is honestly one of the biggest issues, and it's another reason why I want to go and start on it, is it kind of sucks to be in here because everything's sticky. If you watch the first video, there's some goo from where the steering wheel's melting in there, and overall it's just bad. And like stuff like this, it just sucks to be in here because everything's sticky. So, and we kind of got to look at the floor pan, see what's the issue is there. So I'm going to work on getting this seat out, and then I would like to get carpet out, which means that probably has to come out, which I have no idea how to do. The headrest go up. That's cool. Anyways, that's out. I'm not touching that. Yeah, I didn't record any of this, but I did rip the carpet out. I don't really know. I did have a fan in here because this was all wet, so that's going to be pretty fun to get off. I guess I'm going to try to get all this like sound deadening off, or at least all that mess, because there's some holes on the bottom that I've not yet seen up here that definitely need to be fixed, I think. So I'm gonna get on doing that. It's gonna be disgusting, but you know, that's fine. So I got a lot of this stuff out. Most of this sound deadening has turned into stuff like this, where it's got like a corn chip texture. So that's pretty cool. I got a cool snack for after a while. It's just this full bucket. You'll see I didn't get all of it. I looked right here and said, hey, that metal's pretty good, so I just left this. Because, you know, a little bit of sound deadening's better than none, I would think. Left that there because it's stuck more than it looks. Next, I'm going to get a vacuum in here. Probably going to leave all that because I'm not going to sit there. So I don't really care if there's holes underneath that. And I also looked there, and I don't think there's holes underneath it from underneath. So I'm just going to let, you know, that's going to chill there. So. May not look any better, but I did vacuum. Found a hole here. That's gonna be interesting to fix because it's beside this cross member thingy. One right there too, and then there's obviously a little bit of a hole right here. Then let's go to the other side. Then there's, I don't know if you can see it, a little bit of some holes around here. It kind of looks like Swiss cheese, you know. It's pretty solid right there. I'll give it that. There's one right here. Then, is that it? Yeah, anyways, I think that's actually it for the holes. And in the first video, I think I mentioned that there was a giant hole right there. There's not. The floor is just made like this. It's weird, it sinks. But yeah, after this, I'm gonna add some clips in. We did mess around with the motor. We actually got it to run. So that's kind of like a sneak peek into getting the motor running. It does run pretty good. There's like little to no valve train noise, which is awesome. But anyways, here's some clips of us getting the motor running, and then that's gonna be it. Thanks for watching.
There you go. Now it's your turn.
Hey, Robin's good.
Oh, gas gauge is moving.
Nothing.
Well, it's got a. We have one speaker working back there.
You hear it?
Yeah, it's hissing. It's on. Oh. Is the battery just that dead?
I think so.
Okay. Well, it's turning over.
What is it?
The motor.
No.
It is. Do it again. Yeah.
That's the key buzzer.
Oh, okay. Is the tumbler just that loose?
Yes, that wore out.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Nothing.
That's what I figured.
It sounds healthy though.
Nothing.
Hang on.
Good?
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's opening.
Okay.
Okay.
And?
Yeah.
We got spark?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You serious?
Yeah. Come look at it.
Oh, I gotta see it.
Is that the right one?
I don't know.
Okay.
Can you believe that?
Well, I was listening to the
We forgot something.
What? What? Oh, the air belt thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
What? Now it shouldn't sound terrible.
Ready?
Yeah.
That's impressive.
Hey?
You sure?
Yeah, it's thirsty. Did? Yep. Oh! Fuel pump started pumping.